Hi friends, welcome to the business studies class. Today, in this module, we are going to learn about the term secondary industry and tertiary industry. Industry can be defined as the economic activities which are connected with the conversion of resources into useful goods. Generally, the term industry is used for activities in which mechanical appliances and technical skills are involved. These include activities relating to producing or processing of goods as well as breeding and raising of animals. The term industry is also used for means groups of firms producing similar or related goods. For example, cotton textile industry refers to all manufacturing units producing textile goods from cotton. Similarly, electronic industry would include all firms producing electronic goods and so on. Industries may be divided into three. First one primary industry, second one secondary industry, third one tertiary industry. Primary industries include all those activities which are connected with the extraction and production of natural resources and reproduction and development of living organisms, plants, etc. This industry again divided into two: extractive industry and genetic industries. Extractive industries are they extract or draw out the products from natural sources. Genetic industries are the industries remain engaged in breeding plants and animals for their use in further reproduction. Now we are going to learn about the term secondary industry. Secondary industries are concerned with using the materials which have already been extracted at the primary stage. These industries process such materials to produce goods for final consumption or for further processing by other industrial units. For example, mining of an iron ore is a primary industry, but manufacturing of steel by way of further processing of iron is a secondary industry. Now we are going to study the important classification of secondary industry. Secondary industry can be divided into two. They are manufacturing industry and construction industries. Manufacturing industries are those industries which are engaged in producing goods through processing of raw materials and thus creating from utilities. They bring out diverse finished products that the consumer or use through the conversion of raw materials or partly finished materials in their manufacturing operations. Manufacturing industries may be further divided into four categories on the basis of method of operation for production. Manufacturing industry can be divided into four. They are analytical industry, synthetic industry, processing industry, and last one assembling industry. First point is analytic industry, which analyzes and separates different elements from the same materials as in the case of a oil refinery. Second classification of industry is synthetic industry. Synthetic industry is an industry which combines various ingredients into a new product, as in the case of cement. Next type of secondary industry is processing industry, which involves successive stages for manufacturing finished products, as in the case of sugar and paper. Next is assembling industry. Assembling industry which assembles different component parts to make a new product, as in the case of television, car, computer, etc. Next industry is construction industries. These industries are involved in the construction of building, dams, bridges, roads, as well as tunnels and canals. Engineering and architectural skills are an important part in the construction industries. Next type of industry is tertiary industry. These are concerned with providing support services to primary and secondary industries as well as activities relating to trade. These industries provide service facilities When business activities, these may be considered part of commerce because as auxiliaries to trade, these activities assist trade.